The last time I played was 3 or 4 days ago, so yeah, that's about it. Today I'm gonna see if I can do way better than I did last time. Oh, I barely just got in the game and someone already won. Well, that was fun. I'm also gonna start doing this Q&A thing. If you guys want to be part of that, is where you guys ask me a bunch of questions. What the? I'm too big, dude. Let me sit next to this guy right here. I'm already getting caught. Run! I'm out of here. I'm a gas can. I can't use any of my abilities. No! I can't use any of my abilities, man. That's not even fair. I'll watch a dang ad. There, you happy? That guy ran down. He didn't even suspect me up here. It turned this guy into a pig. Wait, he actually didn't shoot me. I'll get him. He thinks I'm one of those over there, but I'm not. See you later, loser. I'm hiding underneath the stairs. Gotta hide underneath the stairs the entire time. Oh, I'm gonna be one of a hat. Was that me that opened that? Nope, that was not me that opened that. Ah! Run! Oh shit, I'm stuck. Why there's like nowhere to go? I'm out of here. I'm gonna hide underneath the table or the thing. We won, suckers. Oh, I'm a hunter. Well, hide online. What is this? Let's go. Guys, I'm going to the bathroom. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Getting myself some Sprite. Dude, there's like nothing in here. Open up. Alright, those have been there. Ah! I'm a chicken! What the hell? Ah. I was a chicken. I got turned to a chicken, man. Ah! What the hell? I do not enjoy this. That guy got totally wrecked. I see why other people like it, but I don't. Alright, that's been there. I'm gonna hide in this room the next time. Oh wait, I can't use any of my abilities once I got turned to an animal. I can only shoot. Alright, they can't go back in that. Let me go over here. What about that Sprite over there? No, and the burger. Oh, we won. Ooh, I actually got a really good spot. And this is a room I wanted to hide in, too. I'm hiding as a chair. I'm not moving from my spot. I can turn to another chair if I wanted to. What? Some guy named Naked Foot just respawned. He died instantly, I guess. Oh my god, that guy ran in my room. He didn't even notice me because I'm a chair. But if someone throws a grenade in here, I'm dead with one hit. Oh, someone died. Raw Rabbit just got killed out there. I'm not going out. I don't trust this. I'm staying in this one area. Well, I'm a chair! Why does this chair have to be so big? I'm out of here. Open up! Run! No, I'm out of here. There's someone underneath that chair over there. I got away. I'm gonna hide right here. I'm hiding underneath the chair. Can't believe I got away. Nearly got killed. I hide on the other side of this wall just in case someone comes in. See you later. Bye. I'm not going that way again. I'm at 19 health. I juked him. I'm out of here. I just juked him. Can I turn into the burger? Oh shit. He's right there. I was a chair. Why does a chair have to be so freaking big? I survived that round though. I nearly died twice. Alright, there's only 3 of us, guys. That's bad. Alright, let's go. Alright, I'll check this room. Alright, that barrel belongs there. Make sure there's nothing in the corners. This is where I was at. Wait a minute. Why is there that hat up there? He's in here somewhere. Wait. I found a box. Guys, I found a box. He was behind me. Get him! Get him! He's nearly dead. Get him! Get up, get up. He's a burger! No! There's a hat and a burger on the run. Gotcha. Gotcha, you little sucker. That's what you get. Oh, that guy died. Oh, I killed him too. Has there always been 2 hamburgers here? Has there always been 2 Sprites in one thing? Oh, I should be careful. I'm at 35. Guys, I found a burger. Where'd he go? Oh wait, I killed him. Alright, this guy's just looking at the ground. God dang it, dude, I couldn't shoot him because he kept freaking hopping around. No! I'm a pig! Get him! Where did you go? That was the room I was in last time. Has that always been on the floor? Yeah, that has. I hate how these doors just randomly shut. The props are gonna win anyway, dude. Yeah, the props win because of you. We'll do one more round. Dude, that was insane. My bag. I'm turning into a basketball. I'm my favorite color, but someone already got caught. Look at that guy over there. Ah! I'm a basketball. Leave me alone. I'm bouncing around. No! You guys trapped me, you little lucky. Both of y'all are lucky. Oh my. Alright, I'm a pumpkin. I'd rather be a pumpkin. Oh my god, that guy's scared. I'm not going in the classroom. No! Lucky son of a... I respawn as a hunter anyway. Really? This is your fault. I guess we're just stuck here until it opens up. I was freaking a pumpkin. I wanted to hide in one of these lockers. Let me see what's on the menu today. I like to have a pizza for $1. Oh, that was the cafeteria in there. That's where I just was. Alright, someone has to be in here, right? Watch this, guys. My head hit the roof. A toilet? What the hell? Someone was a toilet. Someone was literally a toilet. That was crazy. We might as well check the other toilets then. I have a suspicion about these toilets now. They can literally be any of these. I thought that bathroom, that thing moved. Oh, I guess we won. We did it, boys. Alright, fine. I'll do one more round. I'm gonna see how long I can stay here. I'm just a chair. Just a random freaking chair. Don't tell anyone I'm a chair. I see one of the hunters already. Oh yeah, I changed my logo to a spider instead of the skull because the spider suits my name. I wanted to hide in the locker. Dude, I can't even reach the freaking burger. I'm hiding in here. Oh my god. That guy didn't even see me. I can't even change into this. Ah! I'm just a cop, leave me alone. No! I was a cop. Come on. I just wanted to be a cop, man. I was trying to hide in the locker. I wouldn't think he would notice. You made us lose the last time that we were hunters. Now, I did see someone over here. Did I just see something move underneath these things? Wait. Ah! I'm a pig! Get him! Get him! How did you lose him already? Alright, he has to be in here somewhere. Alright, that's been there. Why is there a pumpkin in that corner? Get him, get him, get him! Oh, no, get him! Get him! I'm spectating my friend. I just got killed. He's a freaking burger! It said that me and him killed him together. I don't really want to watch an ad, so I'm just gonna sit here and rest my fingers. He's a goat. This is the only hunter left because I got killed. I swear, if we lose because of this guy, he only has like a minute left at now, so. It says I have 2 respawns left, but I don't know. Wait. He's right there. Look at him behind this pumpkin. Yep. Yeah, and the burger's dead. Burger down. Oh, he got another minute. Because I think he wait, so it's 1v1 now, so. And there's a toilet in the hallway. I'm guessing this guy, and now he's a soccer ball. Hit your shots, kid. He went on the freaking shelf. Yeah, he's dead. I'm just spectating my friend. We only have 22 seconds. It's just 1v1 because I can't respawn because I need to watch a dang ad to respawn. His health is almost dead. What did that say? Happy Halloween on it? There's a... You failed. God dang it, you. Anyway, see you guys next time. Bye.